ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. సర్వీస్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఇన్ ఇండియా 9th క్లాస్ సోషల్ బిట్స్. ఫాస్టెస్ట్ గ్రోయింగ్ సెక్టార్ is agriculture, industry, service, none. Correct answer, service. Many IT companies were established in villages, towns, metropolitan cities. Correct answer, metropolitan cities. Service sector jobs constitute dash of all jobs in India. 1/4, 1/5, 1/3, 2/5. Correct answer, 1/4. Expand FDI. Factory direct investment, foreign direct investment, factory disinvestment indicator, factory disinvestment in India. Correct answer, foreign direct investment. Which sector has gained more importance in the last 30 years in India? Primary, secondary, tertiary, all the above. Correct answer, tertiary. Service sector produce goods, commodities, no goods, crops. Correct answer, no goods. Expand ANM. Auxiliary nurse and midwife, ancillary nurse mentor, Anganwadi nurse midwife, auxiliary nurse mentor. Correct answer, auxiliary nurse and midwife. Option A correct. In which state Noida is located? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Kerala. Correct answer, Uttar Pradesh. India faces an acute shortage of skilled services. Professionalist in a dash sector: education, banking, health, insurance. Correct answer, health. Which sector is called otherwise as dash service sector? Primary, secondary, tertiary, industrial. Correct answer, tertiary. Identify the odd one. Air Force, Police, Army, Navy. Correct answer, Police. Which city of Andhra Pradesh where software technology parks are located? Vijayawada, Guntur, Ongole, Visakhapatnam. Correct answer, Visakhapatnam. Where is the software technology park? Is in Northeast India. Imphal, Guwahati, Kohima, Agartala. Correct answer, Guwahati. Since dash foreign companies can set up retail shops to sell the goods in India? 1991, 1984, 2015, 2012. Correct answer, 2012. Since the early dash, there have been tremendous changes in communication technology. 1980s, 1984s, 1993s, 1990s. Correct answer, 1990s. Becoming dash has become a dream of the youth. Civil engineer, software engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer. Correct answer, software engineer. Which one of the following is not a subsector of tertiary sector? Trade, hotels and restaurants, small scale and cottage industries, finance, insurance and real estate, community, social and personal services. Correct answer, small scale and cottage industries. We need more better quality roads, railways, airways, waterways. Correct answer, roadways. Trading activity is major segment of which sector? Agriculture, service, industry, organized. Correct answer, service. MNC means multinational commodities, multiple national color, multinational companies, none. Correct answer, multinational companies. Dash has brought in a new kind of employment opportunities to many young people. Business process outsourcing, multitask companies. A and B correct? None. Correct answer, business process outsourcing. Pick out the service activities from the following: fishing, cultivation, cattle rearing, teaching. Correct answer, teaching. The density of doctors in India in 2011 was 6 for population of 10,000, 1 lakh, 15,000, 15,500. Correct answer, 10,000. Service activities are required for dash and industrial activities: agriculture, production, importing, exporting. Correct answer, agriculture. The Software Technology Center in Madhya Pradesh is Nagpur, Indore, Jaipur, Gurgaon. Correct answer, Indore. In Indian agriculture, goods are wanted due to lack of proper dash facilities: storage, importing, exporting, manufacturing. Correct answer, storage facilities. Find the odd one out: defense, medical, agriculture, education. Correct answer, agriculture. Dash is a variety of both wholesale and retail selling activities: service, trading, banking, communication. Correct answer, trade. Which companies are mostly established in metropolitan cities? Information technology, banking process, educational, business. Correct answer, information technology. The way service sector is growing may not help in reducing dash in the country: population, poverty, employment, unemployment. Correct answer, unemployment.